Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have it all? Financial freedom, fulfilling relationships, and an exciting life, while others feel stuck in the same place year after year. What if I told you there's a system to achieving your dream life? Not luck, not wishful thinking, but actual principles that, when applied, can transform your life. These principles have helped me get to where I am today, and I know they'll help you too. Today I'll be sharing these principles with you. Let's dive into the 7 key principles to building your dream life, the exact steps that will take you from where you are now to where you want to be. 1. Radical honesty. Define your dream life. Before you can create your dream life, you need to know exactly what that life looks like. Most people never take the time to honestly ask themselves, what do I really want? Not what society expects, not what your parents think you should do, but what you truly desire. Here's a powerful exercise. Create a vision board. When I first did this, I bought a stack of magazines, business, travel, fashion, fitness, real estate, and started cutting out images and quotes that resonated with me. I included a picture of a group of successful entrepreneurs because I wanted to surround myself with inspiring, like-minded people. An image of a house by the beach because I dreamed of waking up to the sound of the ocean. At the time, these things felt far away, but seeing them every day kept me focused. Your vision board acts as a compass, constantly reminding you of where you're headed. If you don't have a clear destination, how will you ever get there? 2. Constant visualization. Act as if. It's not enough to set goals, you have to see yourself living them. This is why I have my vision board everywhere. In my office, on my phone screen, even in my bathroom. It's a daily reminder of where I'm going. One of my favorite concepts is be, do, have. Most people think, once I have money, I'll start acting like a successful person. Wrong. First, you have to become the person. Then, you take the actions that person would take. Only then will you have the results you desire. Visualization isn't magic, it's mental programming. If you constantly remind yourself of your goal, your brain starts seeking ways to make it a reality. 3. Know the numbers. How much does your dream life cost? You say you want a dream life, but do you actually know how much it costs? Most people have vague goals like I want to be rich or I want financial freedom. But what does that actually mean? Let's break it down. Want a luxury apartment in New York? That might be $8,000 per month. Love traveling? Maybe you need an extra $20,000 per year. Dream of retiring early? How much do you need invested? Once you calculate your actual dream life cost, making money becomes a simple math problem. Find people who already make that amount. Study them. What do they do differently? What skills do they have? How can you do the same? This is how you shift from vague dreams to an actionable plan. 4. Become valuable. Create skills, not excuses. Money follows value. If you're not earning what you want, it's because you haven't yet created enough value in the marketplace. Instead of thinking, how can I make more money? Ask yourself, how can I become more valuable? The fastest way to increase your value is to learn from people who already have what you want. Want to be a high-paid entrepreneur? Study successful business owners. Want to earn 6 figures in tech? Master a valuable skill like coding or AI. Want to build an online brand? Learn from people who've done it. The biggest mistake? Consuming without taking action. Most people spend years reading books, watching motivational videos, and attending seminars, but never actually do anything. Real learning happens in action. You need to fail fast, fail forward, and fail often, because failure is just feedback. Success doesn't come from talent alone. It comes from deliberate practice and an obsession with getting better. If you want to build your dream life, ask yourself, what skills do I need to master to make it happen? Then, go all in. 5. Sacrifice. Trade comfort for greatness. Everybody wants a dream life. Few are willing to pay the price. The truth is, you can't have everything. You have to sacrifice something. Here's what I sacrificed. Late-night Netflix binges for early mornings filled with personal development. Weekends partying for building my business. Buying luxury items too soon for investing in my future. It wasn't easy. There were moments I wanted to quit. Moments where I felt lonely because I was no longer hanging out with the same people. But every sacrifice moved me closer to the life I actually wanted. Here's a challenge. Pick 5 things to sacrifice daily. It could be 1. Going to bed by 9:30 p.m. instead of staying up late. 2. Waking up at 5 a.m. instead of sleeping in. 3. Exercising daily. 4. Drinking 100 ounces of water a day. 5. Avoiding alcohol completely. These small sacrifices can change your identity. They'll make you sharper, stronger, and more disciplined. The question is, what are you willing to sacrifice to become the person you want to be? 6. Be selective. Choose your circle wisely. Your life is a reflection of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This was one of the hardest lessons I had to learn. I realized that if I wanted to build a high-level life, I needed to surround myself with people who were already there. I asked myself, who do I want to be friends with? Who do I admire? What kind of people do I want in my inner circle? I remember seeing a group of high-level entrepreneurs and thinking, I want to be in rooms like that one day. So, I started DMing people I admired. I reached out, built relationships, and even told them, one day, you're going to know who I am. And guess what? Years later, I'm friends with those same people. But here's the hard part. You can't bring everyone with you. If your current circle isn't helping you grow, you have to be willing to distance yourself. Yes, it can be lonely at first. Yes, people might not understand. But if you stay focused, you will attract the right people. Because high-level people respect action takers. The question is, are you willing to say no to the wrong people to make space for the right ones? 7. Reflection. Become someone worth knowing. This is a final, and possibly the most important, principle. Ask yourself, would the people I admire want to be friends with me? Most people think about networking backward. They focus on what they can get instead of who they need to become. Years ago, I had a wake-up call. I was at a high-end restaurant when I spotted a well-known entrepreneur I admired. My first thought was, I want to introduce myself. But then it hit me, why would she want to talk to me? I hadn't yet built a business. I didn't have the skills or experience to be in her world. I realized at that moment that I had work to do. So I got to work. I built my business, honed my skills, and became someone worthy of being in the room. Years later, I don't have to chase connections. They come to me. If you want to be in high-level circles, focus on becoming high-level yourself. Study the people you admire. Learn what they know. Develop skills that make you valuable to them. Because when opportunity comes knocking, you don't want to just be there. You want to be ready. Your dream life starts now. So, let's recap. 1. Radical honesty. Get clear on what you actually want. 2. Constant visualization. See yourself as a person who has already achieved it. 3. Know the numbers. Define exactly how much your dream life costs. 4. Become valuable. Develop skills that make you indispensable. 5. Sacrifice. Give up comfort to gain greatness. 6. Be selective. Surround yourself with the right people. 7. Reflection. Continuously ask yourself, am I becoming the person I need to be? Now, I have a question for you. Which of these principles are you going to start applying today? Because your dream life won't build itself. The sooner you take action, the sooner you'll wake up one day and realize you're already living the life you once dreamed about. Don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video with friends, family, whoever you think it'll be beneficial to, and most importantly, subscribe so you wouldn't miss out on more of these tips. See you in the next one.